Push-ups are an effective form of strength training exercise, great for strengthening your core and upper body. Sticking with doing push-ups on a daily basis can be a great way to boost your fitness level without needing to use any exercise equipment, pay for a gym membership, and use anything other than your own body weight to get results. Perhaps one of the easiest exercise movements, the standard push-up activates nearly every muscle in your body, which yields far more than toned muscles and increased endurance. So in this video, we're going to discuss how 50 push-ups a day can completely change your body. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Push-ups are a convenient exercise that you can do anywhere. They don't need equipment or a gym membership. You can also adjust them to meet your own physical ability or to target specific muscles. Push-ups are one of the few exercises which activate every major muscle of your body, including biceps, core muscles, triceps, anterior deltoids, and lower body muscle groups. By simultaneously engaging all these muscles, you also boost your cardiovascular system and improve your heart health. By working on a large number of muscles in your body, push-ups help tremendously for a fitter you. Push-ups help you focus on your arms, abs, and your lower body all at the same time. You train your muscles to work together and become stronger. Despite their ease and simplicity, it's clear that many adults have neglected this exercise for a long time. Most Americans struggle to accomplish even just 5 consecutive push-ups, according to a recent survey. And more than half of the 1,400 people surveyed admitted that they can't complete 10 push-ups in a row. But push-ups aren't just about upper body strength, they can be a full-body workout if done correctly, says Sean Zetlin, Brooklyn, New York-based CSCS and author of the Push-Up Progression series. He describes the push-up as a good bang-for-your-buck move as it works many different joints and muscles simultaneously. A big part of that total body work includes core strength and stability. When performed correctly, push-ups are a great way to stabilize and strengthen your core, says Zetlin, who defines core as essentially all parts of your body that aren't your heads, arms, or legs. That means the core isn't just about your rectus abdominis, but also includes many other muscles in your midsection. And while certain core move focuses primarily on the abs, looking at you crunches, a properly performed push-up targets some of the lesser-known muscles in your core, like transverse abdominis, the deepest core muscle that helps support your spine, multifidus, a series of small muscles that run along the spine, and others. By targeting these other core muscles, you're helping the entire unit of your core become stronger and more stable. Because the core is essentially the powerhouse of the body and a crucial component of the movements we do in so many different scenarios, a stronger core unit will essentially make everything in life easier. That includes activities both at the gym, whether you're squatting or running or lifting weights, and in day-to-day life, from walking or carrying groceries to picking up a child. Push-ups can also help with that elusive six-pack as long as you do them correctly. In fact, there are many different ways to modify your push-up positions which can help you work specific muscle groups throughout the movements of a push-up. You recruit a wide array of primary and stabilizing muscles. The more muscle mass that's utilized in a strength training exercise, the greater the production and release of a specialized hormone known as HGH, or human growth hormone. As a young man or woman, your body pumped out large concentrations of this specialized hormone to support the natural growth of your entire body. However, as you age, the natural release of HGH declines, which makes building muscle a challenging task for older adults. By calling upon such a wide array of muscles, the production of HGH is triggered, which ultimately results in muscle hypertrophy or muscle growth. To maximize push-up benefits, you must incorporate this exercise into your regular strength training program. Not many people pay attention to their posture. In fact, bad posture is the hallmark of the modern day. The amount of time we spend sitting in our chairs, slumped over on our computers, it's preposterous. It has had an extremely adverse effect on posture. When was the last time you tried to stand up straight, spine perpendicular to the ground, shoulders back, and stomach tucked in? Pretty challenging, isn't it? While many people struggle with posture, push-ups can help straighten things out. In fact, the proper push-up form emphasizes the importance of keeping your spine straight and your head looking forward. The proper form is something you need to focus on to actively maintain at first, But of course, give it a little time, and it'll become so integrated into your muscle memory that you'll be standing tall even outside the gym. Moreover, the muscle you build will make your shoulders look broader and your chest wider, making you look and feel more confident. One of the many reasons why fitness gurus recommend push-ups is because of their long list of benefits. However, the problem is that some people do these exercises for a while and only report injuries or no results. It can pretty much happen to anyone who has not mastered the basics of a push-up. These are the specifics on how you should do a push-up correctly. It's the only way you're guaranteed to reap the benefits associated with doing push-ups every day. The nice thing about push-ups is that they come with many variations. You can modify how you do your push-ups to suit your current fitness level and make them more challenging as you get stronger. For example, if you're just starting out, you can perform push-ups on your knees or try incline push-ups using a bench. Mastering these beginner exercises will help you progress to doing a regular push-up on the floor. When you get stronger and are ready to take things to the next level, you can try more challenging variations or change the speed at which you do your push-ups. Moreover, as you're executing push-ups, both your back muscles and biceps are fully stretched, and this helps you both become more flexible and prevent potential injuries in the future. Standard push-ups are considered to be one of the most effective ways to protect your shoulders from potential injuries should you perform them correctly. In addition, it also helps you to improve your posture by holding your back in a vertical position, and this way you protect your lower back from injuries by strengthening this particular part of the body. According to David Nordmark, author of the book Push-Ups for Everyone, perfect push-up workout for muscle growth, strength, and endurance. Push-ups help improve your reaction time by helping to train your proprioceptive muscle fibers. These fibers are microscopic nerves that keep your body balanced. When you attempt a push-up, these nerves are firing constantly in an effort to keep your body from tipping over. This trains them to respond more quickly to stimulation, which aids your balance and speed. Did you know that heart disease is considered the #1 cause of death in the United States? According to the CDC, an astounding 1 in 4 U.S. deaths can be attributed to a form of heart disease. Luckily, regularly performing push-ups can provide a serious boost to heart health. One study published in JAMA Network tracked a group of male firefighters for a 10-year period. In comparison to men unable to complete 10 consecutive push-ups, those able to finish 40-plus push-ups in a row were found to be 96% less likely to develop heart disease. There's no limit to how many push-ups one can do in a day. Many people do more than 300 push-ups a day. But for an average person, even 50 to 100 push-ups should be enough to maintain a good upper body, provided it's done properly. You can start with 20 push-ups, but don't stick to this number. It's important to keep increasing the number to challenge your body. If you keep on doing 20 push-ups for 3 months, then your muscles will become familiar with 20 push-ups a day routine and will stop growing. Ideally, you should try to do 3 sets of 12 reps each day. This will help you gain muscle strength. But luckily, regularly performing push-ups can provide a serious boost to your heart. And how is that? Well, in comparison to men unable to complete 10 consecutive push-ups, those able to finish 40-plus push-ups in a row were found to be 96% less likely to develop heart disease. Many people do more than 300 push-ups a day. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys.